Same river.
American River. Looks fun. I want to go on a boat out there.
On a raft?
On a raft. We're on a hike. And it's 4th of July. How you doing, Grandpa?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Take that picture?
Yeah, it's a picture of a video. Fourth of July hike. How's it, Grumps?
Good.
Grumps?
Great.
Look, there's more blackberries on the hike.
Huh?
Blackberry bush. Not very many blackberries left though. Oh, here's a bunch, look. We've hit the jackpot, look. All of those ones up there, which we can't even reach. All back there. Amazing. Doesn't even make that much of a sound.
I mean, okay, the ones earlier, they made heck of like loud
I
sounds.
know.
Like
You have to throw like
What?
hard for it to make a sound.
Whoa. Wait, I dropped one.
Dude, we have these guns over here.
Hey, what's up? It's 4th of July. Got an ice cream. I'm wearing this outfit that I wear for everything American and Converse. And I've got a huge ice cream cone. Well, not that huge anymore because I ate some of it. And we had a bunch of food, and I held a baby for a really long time. And this arm is going to fall off now because it really hurts because he was a heavy baby. But it was really cute. And I ate good food and family. And yeah, we're going to do fireworks. Watch out! Oh, that's all that it does.
Oh, this is my song. This is my song.
Yes!
Look out, Connor!
Whoa. It's a picture of me, not you. Oh, the fireworks sound. Oh, chicken. It's gonna catch something on fire. Finale. Is this all 3 of them?
It was supposed to be the grand finale.
Those other 2 might catch on fire and light off. Yay, 4th of July. Woo! It's lit. Not really.